97-339, homicide of a drunken doctor unintentionally causing death. We're going to continue on with the 97.3. I know I'm starting at 39, but if you go back and look in the past, I did the homicide laws. This is part of it, crimes against people. I want to continue out this playlist as I'm starting to break down each of the playlists into each individual one. So this one would be 97.3. Then it will have crimes against people. That way we can keep it together and people will know how these are broken down. If any physician or other person while in a state of intoxication shall, without a design to effect death, administrator, or cause to be administered any poison, drug, or other medicine, or shall perform any surgical operation on another which shall cause the death of such other person shall be guilty of manslaughter. As I previously stated, this law was written for a reason, which means something had happened at some point in time that a doctor was drunk or they could see the foreseeable future. And for the public that's unaware, substance abuse among the medical field, not only medical field but law enforcement, so on and so forth, any of those high stressful jobs, substance abuse, whether it be alcohol, pills, so on, does run kind of rampant through there. Most time at law enforcement you'll see that it'll be alcohol abuse because our prescription medication that they have gotten. But same way with doctors and nurses in that matter, that there is a pill problem in that field and also alcohol problem. So if you see something like this, or you know somebody's in that field and you might see these signs, help them, get them help, because a lot of this could be avoided and a lot of these people need help. We see some crazy things in this world, things that nobody should have to live with every day. But hey, the signs are there. If you see it, help them out. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.